Good morning. It is day 2, and I still can't believe how good yesterday was. So obviously, kind of didn't stick to any plan, and um, yeah, we didn't stick to a plan, but we managed to ride within 3 hours at Universal. We did Gringotts, Velocicoaster, and Hagrid's, and like walked around both parks. Great times, and then we had a lovely little trip to Target, which I was going to film more of, but the hunger hit. Um, so we just grabbed some bits and then went for Shake Shack, which was fine. Like it was very disappointing. We chose to we chose to have it delivered to our table, like as an option, and then they didn't, but they also didn't call out the number or the name, so it it's fine. It fed us. And then we went to Magic Kingdom, which again the park was so empty. I think we waited what was it, half an hour for Tron? Um like Winnie the Pooh was longer than Tron, Tiana's and Seven Dwarfs, so super quiet day. And we left just before the parade because as soon as we got back here, we dropped, went straight to sleep. So, then the plan of action for today is to go to Trader Joe's because we didn't do that yesterday, and I want to have a look around and get some like gluten-free bits for the room. Um, Cal's neck is feeling a little touchy. We're also realizing that we are 8 years older than when we last came, and by no means it doesn't mean that we can't do it, but it just means that we do it at a different kind of pace. If we push ourselves too much, we won't be here for the rest of it. Um, like we won't be able to show up as we want to. So we are just going to have like a non-coaster day. We're going to go to premium outlets. We might go and like eat and drink around the world because it's food and wine. And had a look at the allergy menu yesterday. There's so many great things. I'm really excited for the Korean wings at the Brew Wings Lab. Super excited. Um, so yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna try and film more. I don't know if I'm maybe just like telling you what I've done and not actually showing you. So we'll see if I remember to pick the camera up this time. But yeah, so we're staying at Sonesta Suites, which is on International Drive, just opposite Icon Park. Super great location. And we're staying in room 439. It's what I would say is like more of a traditional Florida style room in that it has outdoor corridors. We've never stayed anywhere like this before. So this is um this is our bedroom window and the front door. So I'll do a little bit of a room tour. Cal's just on the phone, so just ignore that. But as you come in, you have this lounge area, which is really nice, really cute. We are overlooking the pool. So um, the noise cancellation is actually really great. We got in last night and there was lots of people playing and like laughing, shouting in the pool, and in here you couldn't really hear anything, which was wonderful. And then over here, you've got the TV, you've got the little kitchenette area, which is basically a full-size kitchen. The only thing that we don't have is like a traditional oven. But you've got a sink with garbage disposal, coffee maker, microwave, a little hot plate, plenty of storage, and freezer, which we're trying to make the ice maker work, but we've managed to make 4 ice cubes. And it also has a dishwasher, and it comes with all of your amenities like plates and bowls and such. Um, Table and chairs. So the room actually does sleep 4 people because the sofa pulls out, but there's so much room. So we unpacked there with our suitcases on the floor here with loads of space. And then there's just space for us to keep that there. And then show you out of the window. This is the pool area, which is open 8 till 10. And what I'm really excited for, directly below us, I don't think you'll be able to see, oh yeah, directly below us, there are like cabanas. So definitely have a day around the pool with the cabanas. The main lobby is in this building here, well, in this area here, and there is a bar which I think I know it serves coffee, and it proudly serves Starbucks, which is great. We haven't been there yet. And there's also a Sixt car dealership, like car rental dealership. So I think we're gonna hire our car from there in the next couple of days for our trips to Daytona and to Tampa. To the bedroom. Yeah. So the bedroom is in a separate room, just off here. We've slept in the bed, so it comes beautifully made. This is my attempt. But it's a comfortable bed. It's really really sizable. Like, what's that, Super King? Perfect. And bedside tables with drawers, so loads and loads of storage. So a really great option if you're staying for any like kind of length of time. TV and some more storage, so I've just popped some of our clothes there. Hey, me. And then this is the vanity area, which is open to the bedroom, with this great big mirror and lights. Wonderful. And a little like walk-in wardrobe area with full drawers and safe. And another full-length mirror, which I think is a great option to have in a hotel room. I've seen lots of videos of people, and there's a full-length mirror, but you can't really, you're like standing this close to it, which is fine when it's just you. But if you want to like get a good shot of what you're wearing or anything like that, and then just through this door is the bathroom. Very kind of traditional, like US tub, shower. It comes with all of the amenities like shampoo and conditioner, shower gel, etc. And the water pressure is actually really, really good. So that's the room. When we first arrived, there was like a bit of a funky smell, but I think it's just because we're close to the pool and whatever. But it's not that noticeable now. Loads of room. I think the only thing, if you was to have 4 people in here, that there's obviously only 1 bathroom. So I'd say the 1-bedroom suite is definitely more of like a couples / family room. But they do 2-bedroom suites, and I think that might have an extra bathroom. we've made it to new outlets. We've had a little wander around, did a little bit of damage in Ralph Lauren and Victoria's Secrets of all places. I say damage. I think I spent £18 in Victoria's Secrets on three tops and a pair of joggers. Great value. And then we were trying to find the food court and we weren't able to. So we have just come into Ford's garage, which is just actually really cool. And there's quite a few like trucks outside and like a fake filling station and stuff. So I ordered the Chop Shop salad, which is chicken, boiled egg, chickpeas, lettuce, cheese, and then I went and red onion, and I went for the ranch dressing. Yeah, that's really good. It's massive. Like I can't get over how big it is. Oh, what did you get? And it's the brisket grilled cheese. That looks really good. Those fries are good as well. We are. Oh, can't see me. We didn't end up at Epcot again, and I might just stop saying what we might plan to do because the itinerary is kind of going out, but I feel like we are smashing through it as well at the same time. But I think that's the thing about Orlando, in that we have spent literal weeks sat around planning what we're going to do, and in reality, you just have to listen to like how you feel. Oh my god, there's a squirrel! Sorry, look at this squirrel. Just a wild squirrel. Yeah, you just have to listen to what you feel like doing. So we went to international drive outlets, which was so big. We were there for like 5 hours. It was actually ridiculous. And got a couple of bits, and then now we are just walking up International Drive to go out for dinner and like a couple of drinks. It's Friday night. It's like pretty popping. So I really fancy a pizza. So we're going to try BJ's for a gluten-free pizza. I'm not sure what Cal's going to have because he had the pizza last night. But he will find something, I'm sure. Yeah, so we're just walking down International Drive. It's like, what is it, 6:30?
Yeah, 27.
Yeah, 27 now. So just it's been a bit rainy this afternoon. And it's the first rain that we've had here. So it's not actually that sunny right now. It's kind of like overcast, but it's actually really mild. Or we've just become accustomed to like 30-degree weather in this kind of in the summer that we had in the UK.
I fancy that, yeah.
No, I don't want to go on that at all.
Actually, it's a lager.
I think last time we came, I'm sure.
Two-seater though.
Yeah, I'm sure Matt and Emma did it last time we were here.
Yeah, we did.
Nah. Can somebody please tell us the rules of the crosswalks? I know that you're not allowed to like jaywalk, but I don't have to wait like 5 hours to cross an empty road. Crazy. Yeah. Friday night.
We did, yeah.
Good
I've got
broccoli?
vegetables.
Yeah, you have got vegetables. I had a salad earlier. I literally had a bowl of salad. So I got the Tito's lavender lemonade. Delicious. Like Parma Violet's like absolutely delicious. And then I got the gluten-free pepperoni pizza, which the pepperoni comes whole, diced, and julienned. And this is the gluten-free base. Mm. So I had salad earlier for lunch because it was either that or a burger, and I didn't fancy a burger again. I said to Carl, I really want to go somewhere that I can just eat like a full meal. And I say this is small for an American portion, but perfect for a non-American. Yeah, delicious, really good. The crust is actually quite chewy and like soft. I don't know what it's going to be like when it cools down a bit. There's like an obscene amount of pepperoni on here. Yeah, delicious. Oh, so cute. I miss him. The last thing that you saw was us eating in BJ's, and I'm going to leave it in, but recommendation for anyone who is gluten-free, maybe don't. I think so. We started walking down our drive after leaving, and then I started to like have a bit of a adverse reaction, and I was really ill all night. So we were back in the hotel, and I think I passed out at like 9 p.m. I think what it is, attributed it to the skillet that the Pizookie comes in. If they use the same skillet for all of them, and they just put a gluten-free one in there, that might be a cross-contamination. Because we looked at the ingredients after we got back, and everything is marked as gluten-free and no allergens. So it wasn't even that it was like gluten sensitive or gluten friendly or whatever kind of light touch that they put on some of these things. And the pizza was lovely, but it definitely was gluten free from like a texture perspective. But yeah, something just happened. Either cross contamination or just a bit too risky. Today we were going to Animal Kingdom, and we were very late getting up. The park opened like half an hour ago, so we're gonna get a lift there now, and grab a coffee, spend the day, go around Animal Kingdom. I'm not wearing any black, which is very strange because Animal Kingdom is the hottest park. So always try and wear something that's going to like reflect some of the heat in the light. But we will see you when we get there.